Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about another awesome project. It's called Babylon.info. So it's very amazing project where you can earn daily 0.15% easily by holding the Babylon. So first of all, before starting the review, smart disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So here you can check it out. I am here on the website homepage. Babylon, hold Babylon in your wallet and earn daily with 0.15% Babylon reward. Join us in the witness Babylon rises the unlimited meme coin. So it's very awesome project. Here you can check it out. First of all, home, about token economics, roadmap, how to buy white paper, buy now, Telegram, and you can check it out the contract address. You can check it out on the BSC scan, and you can buy on the PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap already listed about. Inspired by the legendary dragon character, Babylon has entered the captive, and you can learn about the Babylon, and you can check out Telegram, token economics. So first of all, token economics 55.5% buy sale tax. So it's very amazing. Ownership launch LP Bernard. Total supply, it's very unlimited supply. Babylon name, dollar Babylon symbol. Back to liquidity pool 3%, Bernard Babylon 1.5%, and you can take out 1% long NFT card holder rewards and roadmap. So first of all, you can see this is the phase 1 market research, entire put forward of the idea Babylon website, social media creation, community building, social media ad creation, token launch on the BSC chain, and phase 2 is token holder 6,000, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, influencer marketing, tax tool, and trending. And you can check it out the content and the token amount listing, expanding community contents and giveaway and big colors article on the Binance feed. And this is the phase 4. You can check it out. Token holder 10,000 EM attack, show CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, smart contract addude, global marketing campaign phase 4, and you can check it out the phase 4. So how to buy Babylon, very easy step. So first of all, download and install Binance margin friendly wallet like MetaMask Trust wallet on your browser, and if you have mobile from the App Store and Google Play Store. Step 2, Babylon live on the Binance blockchain. You need to BNB to buy. You can purchase BNB inside of the most Babylon friendly wallets and deposit. Step 3, go to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet, paste the Babylon contact address and click I understand. Step 4, enter the amount how much you want to buy and then buy it Babylon, and you can check out the official email. So guys, now before going to other part, I am telling you some concept of this project, some reason about this project, how this project is unique with different other projects. So first of all, the main thing is one, hold and earn. Token can make daily 0.5% reward based on amount you hold. I already told you you'll be get 0.15% to rewards how much you holding. It's depend on you. By just holding in the wallet, user get reward without DApps, no staking, mean holder free of the centralized risk. It's mean you'll be get your reward without any DApp and no staking. Babylon has been transferred LP to liquidity pool ownership to the back whole mean better than lock LP. No one can remove the LP liquidity pool. So it's very amazing. And the fourth and main thing is Babylon has listed CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and also done the certic idiot. And Babylon has burned 30% of the token supply. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment. So now we are going to talk about the CoinGecko. Let's see on the CoinGecko, and I'm telling you on price analysis and price prediction. So you can check it out there, $0.001126. And if I scroll down, you can check out the max supply, total supply, fully dilated variant, market cap. Guys, first of all, you can see this project is almost up to 21.4% and 24-hour high, 24-hour low. And you can check out the buy, sell, wallet, and crypto and BSC scan, everything right here. Guys, first of all, you can check if which you can see, if you can check it out in 13 May, this project is price very low, but in I almost 4th May, almost today this price has increased, because I think this project making big hype in cryptocurrency in meme history. So that's why the project growing very fast. and you can check it out the all the production 0.04%, and here you can check it out the volume and the price 24-hour high, and you can check it out 0.01 11 14. So here you can check it out the if you want to compare with BTC, LTC and Explore, and if we can scroll the Dogecoin and other meme token, and you can check it out all the information. So you can check out all the information about it. So I already told you this is very amazing project. So if you want to buy this project, you can use the PancakeSwap for buying this token, and here you can check it out the Babylon on market cap. Coin market cap is very famous exchange where if token is listed, its main token is 100% genuine, and they're giving you best profit in the future. So that's why I'm just sharing this project, and you can check it out all the information. I told everything on the CoinGecko, and this project is very unique. So you can check it out every chain, become leaderboard of the BNB chain, Ghost Data, and you can check it out if you want to verify, and then simply verify, and you can check it out the Babylon easily. So I'm not completing this because for some reasons. And guys, you can check it out if you want to exchange, you can also exchange it. So guys, sorry for the background noise, and now I'm talking about how to buy. Simply copy this contract, it has simply select all, then simply click on copy. So let's go on the Binance and simply click on the back. Now you need to click on the exchange, crypto exchange, and simply click here to reset. So let's open the PancakeSwap. So guys, simply select BNB Smart Chain, then click on connect wallet, and after all you need to select your MetaMask. Simply opening MetaMask, please confirming the MetaMask, and after connecting your wallet, then simply click on second token and paste the contract which has been copied from the website, and simply click on add option and click on understand option, and token will be successfully added to the PancakeSwap, and enter your amount how much you want to buy this token easily, and you will be get your token easily. So you can check out the Telegram contact is a Babylon. They have a 3,000 plus member in Telegram, and you can check it out all the information about this project. It's very amazing project, but do your research first. And now we're going to talk about the white paper. The main thing is white paper, because in the website we will just information about the project about thing, but in the white paper we will can understand the whole project easily. Guys, if you want to my opinion about this project, if I give you honest opinion, I think it's a massive potential inside. So that's why make sure to do your research first, but I am think this project is very good for your long-term investment, because this is in the starting this project listed on big exchange. So I think this project make big hype in the future. So that's why I just recommend you for investment, but first your research then investment, because I'm not responsible anything. Welcome back, and you will get 10 pages white paper, Babylon white paper, legal disclaimer. First of all, you can check out the legal disclaimer: no eligibility, no investment risk, no advice, who we are. So Babylon is a 100% community driven token, and you can check it out the introduction, about us and vision. What is the vision about this project? Transparency, community trust, login TV ecosystem, hold non-NFT benefits, CX listing, and you can check it out the token economics, and you can check it out the roadmap as I already told you, and the end of the white paper, and you can understand the whole project in just some time. So I think this project is very good. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.